I recently did an unboxing video of my Rock Island Armory 1911 um, BBR 310, and doing this unboxing, it reminded me of a story that I saw on one of those true crime shows on TV. Typically in any modern firearm that you purchase, inside the kit, along with the instructions and everything else, they also include spent shell casings from your test fire. So in this true crime show that I was watching, there was a guy that was murdered, and he was shot to death with a 9mm pistol. And as they were investigating suspects in that murder, they came across this one guy who had a gun case with all of the contents except the gun was missing. So they didn't have a firearm to compare to the shell left behind at the murder scene. But this one guy was a suspect, and he had a 9mm that he had bought, and that since that 9mm was missing, they searched the gun case, and they found the shell casings from the test fire when the gun was being manufactured. So what they were able to do was take the spent shell casings from the test fire and microscopically compare the extractor and the firing pin tool marks on the spent shell casing from the test fire and match it up against the spent shell casing from the murder scene. And it turned out that they were an exact match. So they were able to prosecute the guy based on the comparison of the shell casings that were left behind versus the shell casings that were in his case for test fire. So he took care to dispose of the gun that he had bought, but he didn't dispose of the test fire shell casings, and ended up costing him, and he ended up in jail for the rest of his life. So I thought that was an interesting story and something to think about when you're taking care of your firearm and the test fire shell casings that come with it.